In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Gmail settings and update your email signature. Whether you're just getting started with Gmail or looking to spice up your email for a more professional touch, I'm here to guide you through this process step by step. To start, let's get into your Gmail account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to gmail.com. Here, you'll need to log in with your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in and you're on the main Gmail interface, let's turn our attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon, which represents the Settings menu. Go ahead and click on that icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to select the option that says See All Settings. This will take you to a new page where you'll find the full array of Gmail settings. Next, we'll focus on setting up your email signature. In the Settings window, you'll find yourself in the General tab by default. Scroll down until you reach the section titled Signature. This is where the magic happens. Look for the button labeled Create New and click it. You'll be prompted to give your new signature a name. This could be something straightforward like Work Signature, depending on its intended use. Now that you've named your signature, it's time to start building it. In the text box provided, you can begin typing in all the information you want to include. Start with your name, follow with your job title, company name, phone number, and website if applicable. These details will form the foundation of your signature. If you want to add a logo or image to your signature, look for the Insert Image icon, which should resemble a small landscape picture. Click on this icon and you'll have the option to upload your logo either from your computer or directly from your Google Drive. After adding an image, take a moment to format your signature to make it visually appealing. Use bold text for your name or company. Add colors if it aligns with your brand, insert hyperlinks where necessary, and adjust spacing to ensure a neat presentation. Once your signature looks just how you want it, let's move on to setting your signature defaults. Under this section, you'll see options for signature defaults. Here, decide which signature you want to appear by default on new emails. Select your newly created signature for new emails. You can also choose whether to have your signature appear on replies and forwarded emails. This step is optional, but can be handy for consistent communication. Finally, to wrap things up, scroll down to the bottom of the page and hit the Save Changes button. And just like that, your signature is saved. It will now automatically be added to every new email you compose, and you can rest easy knowing your emails will leave a lasting impression. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.